Hello, good morning, Alpha. I don't lose my hair. Which day you go come?
That's tomorrow.
Okay, no wahala. Okay now. Tomorrow? Hey, I got appointment tomorrow.
Uh,
Hmm,
I get work today.
I got appointment tomorrow and I don't want shift that appointment. I don't know,
Just do it.
Sha. I feel shift time. I don't know whether I feel shift time. Let's see if I feel shift time. If I feel shift time, I go let you know.
Okay.
Okay now.
Thank you.
So, na be the matter. Na be the matter now. So you get. Although we can run the that one she dey popular well. She dey NSPPD. So she has a lot of success rate of things we go cover. But now they say in AI wey be response team, AI na im dey reply. AI no dey understand, so im dey do. So yes, talk more my own way even. I say okay, let's even go and check. Make my own eye see am koro say e no dey. You understand? Any perege. So that's just it. So my brother, mm, I'm telling you, I no go let you go. Don't touch mama. I just finished. I think I lose my daughter's hair so I can wash it. I've not washed this for a while now. I've not washed her hair in a while now. And sorry, my neighbor's chicken. I need to wash her hair. It's like something entered my hair. I don't know if it's my hair. Teaching me seriously. Here's my mic. When am I supposed to charge? I don't even know if this thing is recording. I don't even understand this my mic. Can you guys hear me? Testing. And it's until I transfer the files before I will know that it's working. But let me just see if there's one place called settings. I think it's already working. I think so. Let me stop the video first. Let me go and charge this. I'm coming. I don't know if you can hear me from there. I don't know. The current is low and there's no sun. To use my inverter to charge to wash my clothes rather. For the washing machine to work, the current cannot carry. We've been having bad lights here, like terrible lights. Fan cannot even roll. But thank God we have inverter. That's just the saving grace. And there's no sun. I rained today. And there's no way I can wash that clothes until sun comes up so that it doesn't just drain all my battery. And that's the essence of this mic of a thing. I love it because you can just move around far away from your camera and you can still hear the person talk. I don't know if it's the painting, the new paint that is giving me kata. Because things like that, I react to stuff like that. Clothes from bag, wardrobe, clothes that stayed in wardrobe for long. This my neighbor's chicken is vexing now. Maybe I should eat noodles because let me eat noodles before I go into her hair. Because it's already what? 11:23. But it's okay, someone will. Like, what I get? A lot of cheese. That's why I got a lot of this. That's like my regular meal. Let me see. Okay. This is shopping. I don't know what this is. Shopping. This is purple. I don't know if you can see me. Purple. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Yeah. White. Everything is cotton color. I don't know what color this is. Black. White.
Wow.
They are all medium sizes. So I have a lot of teas now. That's just like my normal day to day. I always wear my husband's own, but now I have mine. If he wants to share, no problem.
Where is it? I charter keke napep from front of their school. So,
Auntie,
click kini ẹ.
Mo yẹn ń tà báyìí.
I don't know, sir. I don't know if my call reach your side.
Lórí ọmọ ní screenshot rẹ̀.
Ude Road.
But ọmọ á béèrè pé talẹ́ ní kẹ gba route tẹ gbà yẹn ṣé passenger yẹn.
Not
Kánípẹ̀
too much,
change
oh,
route
with
yẹn.
them, thank
Mo
God.
bèrè lẹ́yìn máa tàfẹ́ jáde, mo ní ṣé kò
Wetin
sọ́nà
dey
ìgbà
sup?
yẹn. Ṣé o dúró lè gbà?
This period, you
Inú
get
mo
CB. Complain about sore throat now. They are on a day now.
ìyàwó
We
tí
there.
mo yà lọ.
Just there.
Ṣùgbọ́n bàtà rẹ̀ tó jẹ́ sójà ti dé. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe pátápátá.
You don't see the rain this morning.
Yeah.
Tó mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní táìmù ẹ̀. Táì wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé lápò.
No, it's a personal.
Ó náwó fi gba orúkọ.
Yes, I'm 9 o'clock. Mama. Yeah, this. Yeah, character. And I got another pack extra. Let me pay extra. I don't want no signature. You are mixing some.
This is not for more than 6 hours.
Sorry, there's no good lights here. Manage the light for me. It's a blinky light. Hang on, they're fixing the lights. Okay. So, I went to use tape. Let me remove the sellotape. Oh, my baby. It's cute. Happy birthday to mama. Happy birthday. Your balabala lights. I help me office. Happy birthday to mama. How old are you now, mama? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? The birthday girl is inside, though, playing, watching cartoon. Let's wait for our brother to come back from school. Then we'll put these fireworks for her. And I'll stand her near it. She likes Happy Birthday song. She likes singing it. She'll be so excited. Happy birthday to Mama. Good job, Mama. Good job. Happy birthday to Mama. Mama say cheese.